Was it the woman who asked the question, or? Okay.
To clarify, most of the professors that I emailed, most of the 39 didn't respond at all. One responded actually calling for a boycott of Professor Jacobson. And another just...
See, now, if I had known that, I would have started with that. But that's what we've come to. I mean, that's what we've come to, that, you know, the most extreme anti-Israel people who appeared here last week, I have no problem with them talking to students whatsoever. Yet, they don't want, people here don't want me to be able to address these issues. I mean, to me, that's just crazy. That shows you how warped things have come.
But the few who did respond in the negative said that a debate would be quote-unquote counterproductive and nothing would get solved. That is their reason.
Well, I agree, nothing's going to be solved, but I think that if we have a chance to interact with each other, that's a valuable thing.